how do you be awake in sleep? Are you talking about being awake or are you talking about being aware?
Being aware.
That is when you lost the awareness. Okay. Awareness is something that is outside and inside of you. It is both. Okay. It is not something which is measurable. Okay. But it is definitely like a muscle that you need to build. First workshop, all of you started with ABCD. I taught you ABCD. फिर वो लैडर चढ़ के ऊपर आके बोले सर पहुंच गए यहाँ पे. हमने कहा लैडर फेंक दो. ये बार बार परेशान करके पूछता है सर बट वो पहले वो क्रिया जो सिखाया था वो अभी तक मास्टर नहीं. हमने अभी हो गया, अभी वो क्रिया वो फेंक दो. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ अवेयरनेस. व्हाट इज अवेयरनेस? Being able to observe something neutrally without bias or judgment is what self-awareness or neutrality is, and that is the highest form of human evolution. How do you consistently, continuously do it? Is it really difficult? Not so much. All that you have to do continuously is keep observing yourself as a third person. थिएटर में जाते हो, 3 घंटे का पुष्पा देखते हो, ठीक है? पुष्पा देखते हो, suddenly you now are so engrossed कि you feel you are पुष्पा, you also start doing. Correct? Pushpa is happy, Pushpa is sad, Pushpa is angry. You start living all those emotions. Correct? Completely forgetting you are simply the observer. Okay? And this movie is your projection. Okay? And not the other way around. But ठीक है, उसमें वो 3 घंटे में रो लेते हो, हंस लेते हो, पूरी जिंदगी एक जी लेते हो. उसके बाद घंटी बजती है और मूवी खत्म. बोलता है पुष्पा पार्ट 2 कमिंग. What do? You get up. बहुत मजा आएगी. आएंगे समोसा, वेफर, ब्लू पड़ी हुई है. घर चले, हो गया. By the time you reach your car, you will discuss for another half an hour. You will reach home, you will forget. अरे वो तो movie था. Correct? That is exactly how your life also is. But what happens if, let's say, you are the writer and the director of Pushpa? Will you yourself really enjoy Pushpa? No, right? So you need to forget. With the help of veiling of the Maya, you need to forget. Only then can you have that aha moment. Oh wow! ये अपने दोस्त ने बनाया है. But you know it is you. Correct? Trying to know the future is again expectation. And if your expectation index is high, and if the reality index is low, again that creates a massive distortion, a massive disturbance. Expectation index अगर high है तो liver full मैसो चलेगा. Okay? और reality index अगर low है तो spleen एकदम deficient हो चुका होगा. Okay? This is exactly how it is. How to be aware, how to be awake during the sleep. Watch yourself constantly as a third person, as this is a running movie. Have you heard जिड्डू कृष्ण बोलते? थोड़ा बहुत. Most marvelous master who ever lived. Nobody higher than him and Nisargadatta Maharaj. Nobody higher as he. He was so detached. मैं अभी भी बात करते करते I refer to me. Okay. He was so beautifully all the time self-aware. The speaker himself, as such, does not believe in this theory. Okay. But for you to understand and explain, he is still going to use it. He refers to himself all the time as a third person. Okay? Because that is the state of consciousness from where he actually speaks. He was so detached.
So, sir, when a third person करते हैं ना, you don't find that ego also.
Aham Brahma Asmi. Sanskrit is a beautiful language where each word has multiple meanings. You know what aham is?
Ego.
Ego.
Me.
Brahm is what?
Brahm.
Is mithya. And asmi?
Me.
Okay. I am an illusion. And illusion is the only truth. Okay.
I'm still alive.
But the same thing is also understood as aham brahmasmi. I am also everything. I am nothing, and from nothing, with the Big Bang, I created everything. So I am nothing and everything. Correct? Does this answer? Okay, how to be aware?
Yeah, camera.
Camera. ऊपर से spotlight चालू है. What is real? Is this what is real? Or when you actually go to sleep और उसमें जो जिंदगी जीकर वापस आता है, उसमें भी गाड़ी चला रहा होता है, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है किधर जा रहा है गाड़ी, ठीक है, उसमें भी एक गर्लफ्रेंड पटाता है, उसमें भी लफड़े करके आता है, उधर भी अचानक सुबह को पता नहीं क्यों रेलवे स्टेशन पे खड़ा है, कहीं पे जा रहा है, correct? And then you forget. When you wake up, you suddenly forget. Is that reality? Okay. It is a dream within a dream within a dream. Okay. Is that who real you is living? वहाँ पे साला बिलियनर है, इधर साला राजू है. Which one would you like? Is this probably a dream or is that a dream?
Choice अपना.
Yes. अच्छा, I thought you. Think.
I have a question. बहुत basic है और मैं नहीं हूँ इसलिए. After being awakened and aware of everything, you know what you are gonna respond और आगे क्या होने वाला है. तो then what's the thrill? Entertainment कैसे होगा या फिर?
That is why you don't. That desire to know the future is also gone. I'm like, you are in the eternal present.
We are the only one who can create that.
No, you are in the eternal present. कल क्या बता रहा था? Full spiritual breathing करेंगे. You are in the here and now. अभी तो टी-शर्ट का लेबल भी here and now choose करके पहनता हूँ मैं. ठीक है? I never knew it is a brand. Here and now. 15 टी-शर्ट ऑर्डर किया हमने here and now. When you are in the here and now, future does not exist. In reality, the past is gone. It is history. It does not exist. The future has not happened, and it's a mystery, and that also does not actually exist. What exists is only this moment, here and right now. Time is simply a perception of the mind. Getting this? In which case, I am least interested to know the future. I am just interested in here and right now. अभी सुखी है, 2 पाँव है, 2 हाथ है, सर अभी भी ऐसा धड़ के ऊपर है.
Because I have heard कि कुंडलिनी जागृत होने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि everything is entertainment.
It is.
और हमें सब कुछ मालूम है.
जरूरत नहीं है सब कुछ मालूम होने की.
नहीं. No,
No.
I'm not talking about कि हमें सब कुछ मालूम है in that
sense.
in that sense.
You know what it is like.
You know what it
is. हाँ, that is the right statement.
Correct. You know what it is.
तो फिर what is the thrill और कैसे?
वही पता है.
बस वही कैसा है ना कि it is like this. It is like this. Right now we are still talking 500 pages on electricity. Okay. करंट एक बार खा के देख, समझ में आएगा एक्चुअल थ्रिल क्या है, मजा क्या है, एंटरटेनमेंट क्या है. रियल लाइफ और रियल लिविंग एक्चुअली स्टार्ट्स आफ्टर इट. ओके. इट इज अनफॉर्चुनेट कि इन टुडेज टाइम्स वी फाइंड के वेयर इफ यू पर्सनली आस्क मी, everybody should be enlightened as fast as possible. Then the real journey begins after that. The real thrill of life, because now you are no longer attached to the outcome of whether you are winning or losing. You are just playing the game for the fun of it. Getting it? You are playing it just for the thrill of the game. You really don't care. Profit होएगा, loss होएगा, goal होएगा, नहीं होएगा. दिस इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेयर कि जिसको एक्चुअल खेलने को आता नहीं है, पर जबरदस्ती टीम में डाल दिया तो वो सबको उंगली करता है, बोलता है दोनों टीम में खेलेगा. Getting it? I used to be that kind of a sports person. Pathetic at sports. गलती से स्कूल में जबरदस्ती क्रिकेट टीम या फुटबॉल टीम में डाला ना, बॉल गलती से अपनी साइड पे आया ना, दोनों बाजू इधर उधर फाउल वाल सब कर डालने का, टेंशन नहीं लेने का. करेक्ट? You start playing just for the thrill of the game, not attached to any outcome, with no agenda, no goal, no real purpose. And yet you do create artificial. खेल ही रहे तो ट्राई तो कर, एक आध गोल हो भी जाए. Getting it? Everything comes from that detached involvement. Am I involved with life? 100%. Correct? All of you come by, you see क्लिनिक पे भी आते हो, फिर अपन नीचे चाय कॉफी को भी टाइम पास करने को जाते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट करते हैं. करेक्ट? Am I involved? I'm fully involved in engrossed level. The lifestyle is fantastic. क्लिनिक पे जाओ, रिटर्न आने के बाद डिनर फैंटास्टिक करो, उसके बाद लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाओ, उसके बाद कोई फ्रेंड्स को मिलो, एक आध पैग मारना है या कॉफी मारना है, लेट नाइट 2, 2:30, 3 बजे तक एंटरटेनमेंट करो, भले कितना भी बड़ा लॉकडाउन हो, पांडु पीछे भागे. करेक्ट? Am I not doing that constantly? There is amazing more involvement with life itself, with nurturing not only for you but nurturing everybody around you, all for fun, great fun. And also you are still a part of the evolutionary process. You leave behind what you understood to binaries of the future. Getting it? They will come out, let's say he's 18 today, what he's understanding, absorbing today, 10 years down the line, one fine morning he may wake up, अरे ट्यूबलाइट हुआ, साला वो तभी बोला था, आज चमका. The day उसको चमकेगा, he will start talking in his language to his colleagues, his standard, his friends, the society at that point in time. Correct?
It's like the telephone effect. Like today we have come here now.
Like
I know, okay, जैसे with Manas, I know कि 2 days बहुत कुछ ऊपर से गया, बहुत कुछ पकड़ लिया, ठीक है. I know purposefully, वो जितनी बार बेचारा वो सवाल करता है, मैं बोलता हूँ बाद में. Not that I don't love him, I know him since he was 14 years old, right? His dad is a very good friend of mine, very. Okay. This is the reason why I'm not answering his questions directly. Because I want him to form his language and not carry my language forward. If he's going to US, if he's an IT professional, if his friends ask, I don't want them to speak this language. I want him to speak and teach spirituality in the language of IT to someone. And that is why I am unconsciously pushing him that he will develop his language, and after 6 months he will send me an email saying कि भैया ये language अब सही है क्या? हाँ ये सही है, समझ में आ गया. That is again a process. So whom are you delivering what? How?
So then again this becomes sustainable. ये जाता है आपसे इधर आया, इधर से और आगे जाएगा.
Yes.
Sustainable.
Yes. That is what our Hindu tradition is about. Sanatan Dharma, Guru Shishya Parampara. One master will create multiple masters and all of them will start speaking in their own flavor, own language. आपको कौन सा पकड़ में आया? Okay, क्या करना है अभी? कितना बज गया?